And Thailand is the world's second largest exporter of pet food, just behind Germany. And with export values projected to reach $5 billion by 2030, more companies are looking to tap into this growing market. But geopolitical tensions and rising competition could slow that momentum. Jeremy Cole with this report for CNA.
Posawat Sitikon Prasad's father, a veterinarian, founded Buzz Pet Food about 30 years ago. That's when the company began by distributing imported premium pet food in Thailand. But about 10 years ago, it started to produce pet food locally. In a full circle moment, the company has also begun exporting its products overseas since the COVID-19 pandemic.
In the last 4 years, we have grown from revenue of just under 3 million to over 25 million US dollars within 4 years. And with this momentum, we believe is a golden opportunity for us to explore the market beyond Thailand. And the market that we would initially focus on would be markets like Indonesia, the Philippines, Vietnam, or India.
Pet food exports currently make up less than 10% of their revenue, but they're hoping to increase this to about 30 to 40% in the near future. Another company that's eyeing overseas market is Podi Innovation. Its CEO Pompan Prapani says the firm has yet to export pet food, but regional markets are already on the radar. Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia and the Philippines are top of the list.
We have a lot of ingredients in Thailand, right? Just like tuna, the biggest market in Thailand. And then I think we are so, have a variety ingredients that we can mix, and I don't know, the formula is really variety. And in Thailand market, we can do that. We can produce that, whatever the market wants.
Thailand exported $1.68 billion of dog and cat food in the first 7 months of 2025. That's a 10.7% increase from the same period a year earlier, and is projected to reach an export value of $5 billion by 2030. Thailand's dominance in the pet export market stems from its global reputation for product quality and standards.
The industry's growth has been fueled by the rising pet ownership worldwide and the increasing trend of pet humanization, treating pets as family members. This is driven in part by the rising cost of raising children, aging populations, and smaller households. Now, here in Thailand, some pet owners are spending up to $1,600 US per pet per year. That's a 23% increase from a year ago.
One such owner is Navin Pukpan, who has kept more than 10 dogs and spares little expense on them.
Yeah, I spend a lot of for them, like for food and like their clothes or something like that. Yeah.
Why is that so?
Well, we don't plan to have a kids for our own, so we have dogs, so we kind of treat them like a family member. Yeah.
The Thai government says the pet industry is becoming an increasingly important part of the country's manufacturing and exporting sector. Thailand captures about 10% of the global pet food export market in 2024, second only to Germany's 12.3%. But despite the sector's strong outlook, geopolitical tensions could pose challenges ahead.
เพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยมันก็ยังมี potential ยังมีรูมในการโตอยู่แต่มันคงไม่ใช่เป็นทิศที่แบบยังพุ่งเพราะว่ามันยังมีปัจจัยคอนเซิร์นหลายๆอย่างนะคะอย่างเช่นเรื่องของเศรษฐกิจนะคะเรื่องของภาษีทรัมป์นะคะแล้วก็อาจจะมีเรื่องของการแข่งขันกับคู่แข่งอย่างเช่นเม็กซิโกเขาเป็นประเทศที่ได้ 0% ของภาษีทรัมป์อะค่ะเป็นประเทศยกเว้น USMCA เนาะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเขาอาจจะมีข้อได้เปรียบตรงนี้หรือว่าตลาดหลักๆอย่างญี่ปุ่นตลาดส่งออกหลักของเราอย่างญี่ปุ่นอย่างเงี้ยเราก็อาจจะเจอการแข่งขันกับเกาหลีใต้ที่เขาก็จะได้ในเรื่องของ pricing นะคะก็อาจจะตรงเนี้ยมันก็อาจจะแข่งขันกันรุนแรงขึ้น
Still, even without relying heavily on exports, the domestic market continues to grow. Bangkok alone has more than 310,000 pets. And as more people choose pets over parenthood, the demand for premium pet food is expected to grow both in Thailand and around the world. Jeremy Cole, CNA, Bangkok.